In Prisma Cloud, you can integrate third-party security platforms in order to ingest data regarding cloud-based host vulnerabilities. Let's go through an integration to look more closely at the steps involved, and we'll use Tenable in this example. First, you will need to generate an access key and a secret key from the Tenable platform. These are needed to authenticate API calls to the platform from Prisma Cloud. So we get started by clicking on Settings, and we select Integrations, and then I can select Add. In this case, the integration type is going to be Tenable. I can give the integration a name and an optional description. And next I'm going to go ahead and cut and paste the access key and then the secret key. Once I have all the information entered, I then click Next. After clicking Next, I can first test the connection before saving it. After integrating Tenable into Prisma Cloud, host vulnerability data will now be ingested. You can search for any resources with host vulnerabilities in the Investigate section and drill down for more details on that resource.